Assalamualaikum. This is me, Dr. Saif Ullah, and I welcome you in this short video. This video explains how to calculate the various portfolio evaluation measures that are in use. This is the second video related to portfolio performance evaluation. In first video, I have explained the various tools used to evaluate portfolio performance, and the link of that video is shown in the upper right corner of your screen as well as placed in the description of this video. In that video, I have explained that what are different tools that are available to evaluate portfolio performance, and in this video, I will compute these measures by using Microsoft Excel. The present video uses the different calculations that we have performed in earlier videos. To evaluate portfolio performance, we have calculated return on the portfolio, downside risk of the portfolio, variance, standard deviation and beta of the portfolio, as well as we have performed these calculations for the market, and we have also risk-free rate of return for the market. Firstly, we will calculate Sharpe ratio, and Sharpe ratio is simply the difference between return on the portfolio minus risk-free rate of return divided by standard deviation of the portfolio. So equal to return on the portfolio minus risk-free rate of return divided by standard deviation of the portfolio. The second calculation is M squared, and M squared is equal to Sharpe ratio into benchmark rate of return. I am using the market return as a benchmark, and the benchmark standard deviation is 6.48% plus risk-free rate of return. The third calculation is Treynor ratio. The Treynor ratio is equal to return on the portfolio minus risk-free rate of return divided by beta of the portfolio. So Treynor ratio is equal to return on the portfolio minus risk-free rate of return divided by beta of the portfolio. The next ratio is Sortino ratio, and Sortino ratio is equal to return on the portfolio minus risk-free rate of return divided by downside deviation of the portfolio. So return on the portfolio minus risk-free rate of return divided by the downside risk that we have already computed. The next is Jensen Alpha, that is equal to return on the portfolio minus risk-free rate of return plus beta into RM minus RF. The last calculation is Treynor Squared, that is equal to return on the portfolio minus return on the market. These are the tools that we can use to evaluate portfolio performance. If we have multiple portfolios, then we can better explain these ratios, that what the answer shows. The answers basically shows that what we have earned extra from the risk-free rate of return and compared it with the risk of the portfolio. That's all for the portfolio evaluation tools. If you have any questions related to finance, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best answers. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.